Once you have a lead that goes under contract, you'll need to input information to move them up to the contract section. Access their transaction button, and then begin entering all the information about their contract. Start with the timeline items. The timeline items will bring up a list of all contract dates for you to enter. Start with the effective date, closing date, and then any other dates that apply to your contract. Save the information, and your client's timeline will update with all of the dates that you just entered. Next, enter the closing party information. You can add closing parties one of two ways. First, by looking up their information by last name, if they're already in your database, or you can enter a new closing party contact, save it, and they'll show up as a closing party to this transaction and automatically be entered into your database as a title company representative. Under the Details tab, you can enter important contract information for easy reference throughout the transaction. Finally, you can upload all of your documents into the Doc box by browsing your computer and saving the document. This document will now be accessible to you and to your client. When you go back to your home screen, you'll see that that contact has now been moved up to the Contracts section. So by taking a little bit of time with each of your contracts, you can have easy access to all of the important dates, documents, and details for every one of your contracts. Also, by clicking on Timeline View, you'll have one snapshot of all your contracts and dates.